Today we will start practice set 2.6 of mathematics part 1 algebra. Practice set 2.6. Now first question is that I am going to read here. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Means there is one girl whose name is there Pragati. Her 2 years back age is given and also 3 years means after 3 years age is given and their product is given to you 84. It means that here present age is not given. So we should consider what is her present age. Let present age of Pragati be x. Present age is considered x years. So we should go back 2 years. Means what will happen? X minus 2. 2 years ago, age of Pragati is equal to x minus 2 years. And again condition is given that after 3 years. So after 3 years, age of Pragati is equal to x plus 3 years. And their product is mentioned. Their product means product of ages is equal to not of present age, only of 2 years back, 2 years ago and 3 years hence. Its product is given to you 84. Then according to this here we can prepare equation as per data or data. We will prepare equation. Product means x minus 2 and x plus 3 is equal to 84. Now do multiplication. X into x square. 3 minus 2 positive x means 3 minus 2 1 will remain, greater number sign is positive, so here plus sign is given. 3 2s are minus 6 is equal to 84. If you don't know, then simply you may do here calculation, multiplication x minus 2 and x plus 3. How is this can, that I am going to tell you. X into x square, x into 2 minus 2x, 3 into x positive 3x and 3 2s are minus 6, and thus then here what will happen? Minus 6, 3 minus 2 means positive x and here x square, thus x square plus x minus 6. This product is 84 years. Now that 84 will come to left hand side, what will happen? X square plus x minus 6 minus 84 is equal to 0. Thus x square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now what do we want? Here 90 should be splitted. We should split 90 so that 10 into minus 9 and 10 plus minus 9 means x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equal to 0. Then here x is common taken, x plus 10, and from this minus 9 is taken, x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now what is happening? X plus 10 and x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this further. What will happen now? X plus 10 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 10, or x minus 9 is equal to 0, means x is equal to 9. Age is never negative. What is asked? Find her present age. You should mention here, age is never negative. Age is never negative. Therefore, present age of Pragati is 9 years. This is the required answer. Now, once again means how should we solve that? What is told to find out? What is told here? Look, find the present age. what the number is told to find out, that we should have to consider as a x. So here present age of Pragati is considered x. 2 years ago means we should have to subtract x minus 2 years from present age. Hence 3 years means we should add 3 years, further 3 years in the present age, and thus then product told, that's why multiplication done. Remaining that you can understand this all. So we have the question number 2. What is given in question number 2? That please see, there is little printing mistake, that even word is not given there, so you should have to write the even. The sum of the squares of two even consecutive natural numbers. Two even consecutive natural numbers. So then let first even, we should write first even consecutive natural number be x. Therefore second even consecutive natural number is equal to x plus 2. And sum of the squares of these two numbers is given to 44. Okay. Now as per data, their squares means x square in second bracket, x plus 2 bracket square is equal to 244. Then here x square as it is, expansion formula a plus b bracket square means first term square x square plus first term into second term its double, 2 into x its double, 4x, 2 square 4, this 244 will come to this side is equal to minus 244. Thus do addition of x square means 2x square. Don't forget to put therefore sign. Now we have 4x, 244 minus 4 is minus 240 is equal to 0. 244 minus 4 means what will come? 240 will come. Dividing by 2 means it reduces. Dividing by 2, x square plus 2x, x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now it is simple. Minus 120 should be splitted so that find the two factors from 120 whose multiplication, whose product should come 12 into minus 10. You will get minus 120, and 12 plus minus 10, it is equal to middle term. Constant term is splitted such that number of their factors is equal to sum of the product of the two numbers is equal to minus 120, and sum of these two numbers 12 plus minus 10 is equal to 2. Thus here x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 120 is equal to 0. And now then from it you should take x common, x plus 12, from it minus 10 is common taken, x plus 12 is equal to 0. Thus x plus 12 and x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now here I will take x plus 12 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to minus 12, and or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 10. Then natural number is never negative. Natural number, you may write here, natural number is never negative. Therefore first natural number, first even natural number is equal to 10. Then we should have to find second even. Now I have to erase that, so I am erasing it. Second even natural number is equal to x plus 2 means 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Understand? Now once again I am going to repeat that there are two consecutive natural numbers. So first even consecutive natural number is x, second is x plus 2. Sum of their squares is given 244. So here sum of two consecutive natural numbers is equal to 244. This is the equation formula. Then after expansion we have to divide by 2 to both sides. You will get final equation x square plus 12 x square plus 2x minus 120 and thus after splitting you will get the answer. Now question number 3 is that just you have to read it. It is the part of activity. There is one garden, and in that garden there are number of rows and columns contains same kind of trees. Who is there? We have to check it. Mr. Madhusudan has orange garden, and he is orange garden. In the orange garden of Madhusudan, these are columns and these are rows. Totally there are 150 trees given. Total trees is equal to 150 given. And what is mentioned that the number of trees in each row is 5 more. Means in this row there are 5 more. 5 trees are more. Means number of trees in column are not mentioned. That we should have to consider x, and then number of trees in a row will come x plus 5. Therefore, as per given condition, the number of trees in each row is 5 more. It means no number of trees given in column. So we will consider, let number of trees in each column be x. Then number of trees, therefore number of trees in each row is equal to x plus 5. Total trees is equal to 150. Total trees is equal to 150. As per condition, we have to prepare the equation. Total number of trees means number of trees in column and number of trees in the rows. We should multiply, we will get answer. So x in bracket x plus 5 is equal to 150. Then x into x, x square, x into 5x is equal to 150. This 150 will come to left hand side. X square plus 5x minus 150 is equal to 0. Thus minus 150 should be splitted. You should find two numbers such that their product should be equal to constant term and their sum should come equal to positive 5x. Means greater number sign, we should give positive sign to the greater number. Then here I am taking here 15 into minus 10. It becomes minus 150, and 15 plus minus 10 is equal to positive 5. So what are the two numbers? What are the 150 splitted such that 15 into minus 10. So I will take here x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. Then x in bracket x plus 15. From this minus 10 is taken out. X plus 15 is equal to 0. Now x plus 15 and in second bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now x plus 15 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to minus 15 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. X is equal to 10 now. Thus trees are never negative. Number of trees is never negative. Number of trees is never negative. Therefore, number of trees in each column is equal to how many? 10. And number of trees, what is asked? Then here find the number of trees in rows also. So number of trees in row is equal to x plus 5 is 10 plus 5 is equal to 50 now. By this way, question number 3 is completed. Now we will enter into the question number 4. Once again, I am going to remind you that you should subscribe the channel. You should tell to your friends to subscribe the channel. You should press the bell icon to get latest updates about our videos. Now, who can read? Yes, everybody can read. Question number 4. Question number 4. Vivek is older than Kishore. Means there are two children. One is Vivek, another one is Kishore. Then condition is given, Vivek is older than Kishore. Means Kishore's age is not given here. Vivek is older told means Kishore is smaller. Means Kishore's age is not mentioned. We should consider that let age of Kishore be X. Therefore, age of Vivek is equal to X plus 5 because 5 years older told. Then sum of reciprocals. Next condition is given, sum of their reciprocals is equal to, I think 1 upon 6 is mentioned, correct? So as per data 1 upon x reciprocal of x plus 5 is 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Now do your cross multiplication at this stage. 1 into x plus 5 is x plus 5 into 1 same. X ones are x. And this x in bracket x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Then x plus x 2x plus 5 and x into x square plus 5x is equal to 1 upon 6. Now again do cross multiplication. 1 into x square plus 5x means x square plus 5x into 1 means this as it is equal to 6 in bracket 2x plus 5. Thus x square plus 5x is equal to 6 2s are 12x and 6 5s are positive 30. Okay, what happens that I will take here now x square, therefore sign don't forget to give x square plus 5x is to left hand side. From right hand side all that numbers will come here. It becomes minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. Then x square, here 12 minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now this minus 30, we should split this 30 so that their multiplication should come equal to constant term, means minus 10 into 3 is taken, you will get minus 30, and minus 10 plus 3 is taken, you will get equal to middle term, because here is negative term wanted at the center, in middle term is negative, so I give negative sign to the greatest factor. Then continue here ahead, x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. Let me split here now. From this x is common, x minus 10 here plus 3, x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now x minus 10 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. Thus x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 10 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 3. Therefore what do we want? Let age of Kishore, therefore age of Kishore, age is never negative, therefore age of Kishore is equal to 10 years, and age of, who is there another? Age of Vivek is equal to x plus 5, x plus 5 means 10 plus 5 means 15 years. 15 years. By this way question number 4 is completed. Now we will enter into the next question, that is question number 5. Please, again and again, you should solve to practice yourself. You should have to read and solve yourself. Wherever you are getting difficulty, you should open the video, observe it and solve yourself, because mathematics is not the part of learning. It needs practice. Practice make man perfect. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now we are entering into the next question, that is question number 6. What is given in question number 6? Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pots. There is one person, Kasam. He is making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots on a daily basis. Means his basis, means his wages is depend upon number of pots. Production cost of pot is given. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40 more than 10 times the number of pots. Means how many pots will he prepare? It's 10 times plus 40 rupees. Means suppose if he makes number of pots X, is there given number of pots prepared by him? Not mentioned. So we will think that let number of pots made by Kasam be X. Then what is production cost? Production cost. I am going to take here question number 6. I think one question is remember 5th. We will take it afterwards. Okay. Then number of here cost, production cost is equal to what is given, that 10 times the number of pots. What is 10 times? 10 times of X means 10x plus 40 rupees more. 40 rupees more. That is the production cost. If production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600. Production cost per day production cost is equal to rupees 600. That is given. Once again I am going to tell you that number of pots prepared by Kasam is X. What is the production cost? Production cost is 10 times of the number of pots means 10x. More 40 means plus 40 rupees. So as per data, what will happen? Now X in bracket 10x plus 40 is equal to 600. So I will multiply x into 10x square, 40 into x, 40x, that will come here 600 minus 600 is equal to 0. Now can we divide both sides by 10? Yes, both sides dividing by 10. Both sides dividing by 10. You will get x square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. Then we should split minus 60. We should please split here constant term so that their product should come equal to minus 60 and their sum should come positive 4. Okay. Then positive 4 wanted means 10 into 6 minus 6 take. We will get minus 60 and 10 plus minus 6 we will get positive 4. Therefore I will take here x square plus 10x minus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. Okay. Then here x is common taken. X in bracket x plus 10. From this minus 4 take out. X minus 10 is equal to 0. Sorry, here it is plus should come because what number comes in first term should come in second one also. Therefore then x plus 10 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. I will take here up x plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 10 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 4. So what is asked? Please check. How many days? Sorry, question number 6 is that Find the production cost of one pot and number of pots he makes per day. So what is came? Number of pots made by Qasim is equal to 4, and production cost, what is production cost? Production cost will come 10 times of the number of pots, means 10 into 4 plus 40. So 10 fours are 40 plus 40. Right, correct? Yes. And then 80. Understand? So this is the answer. Once again we have to see it. It is little bit feels difficult, so I am explaining. What is told? Mr. Qasim runs a small business of making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. He makes certain pots on daily basis. Therefore, here I done mistake. Look, 10 6 are 60 should be taken here. 6 is necessary. Then number of pots made by Qasim is X. Production cost 10 times of the number of pots means 10x, and more 40 means 40 is added. Total production cost is given 600. As per data, x in bracket 10x plus 40 is equal to 600. Now x into 10x 10x square, 40 into x 40x. This 600 comes to left hand side, and thus by dividing, what will you get? X square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. Then here minus 60 is split such that 10 into minus 6, 10 into minus 6 and 10 plus minus 6 means equal to middle term. So it was necessary to take here 6x. I took here by mistake 4, but now I have corrected here. Then what is happening? Here will also come 6. Then in one bracket x plus 10 and in another bracket x minus 6 will come. Here also we should have to do correction. X minus x plus 10 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 10. So it is never not acceptable. Now x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 6. Therefore number of pots, here I will erase it and I will write it again. It is congested. So please look here what to do further. Number of pots is never negative. Therefore number of pots, therefore x is equal to minus 10 is not acceptable. Hence number of pots made by Qasim is equal to 6, and production cost is equal to 10 times 10x and 40 more means 10 into 6 plus 40. 10 6 are 60 plus 40. Is correct or not, that you can check, because here per day production cost is 600 given. The number of pots is 6. 6 into 100, that is equal to 600, means our answer is correct. So by this way, here also we can understand, we can check whether our answer is correct or wrong. So now we will enter one of the question which was removed by mistake, and that is question number 5. I will enter into the question number 5. Please read that question number 5. That is simple, so simple. I hope that you will understand it if you read. So I am giving you few seconds to read it, and we will enter into the new question. Fifth question is that Suyesh scored 10 marks more in the second test than first. There are two unit tests. 2 unit test marks are given here, first test and second test. In second he got 10 marks more, means marks of first test are not given. We will consider that. Let score of Suyesh in first test be X. Therefore, score in second test is equal to, what will come in second test? That is 10 marks more, means X plus 10. Simple. Now next what is given, please check it, that 5 times the score of the second test, 5 times the score of the second test is same as the square of the score in the first test. Means as per data, what is 5 times of the marks in second unit test is equal to the square of score in the first unit test. Thus, this is your condition. Then you can solve here 5 into x, 5x, 10 into 5, 50 is equal to x square. Send this all to that side, means x square minus 5x, it goes there, becoming minus 50 is equal to 0. We should split this minus 50. Minus 50 should be splitted such that minus 10 into 5 is equal to minus 50. Minus 10 plus 5 is equal to minus 5. So we will take here x square minus 5, x square minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. Minus 50 is equal to 0. Now x is common, x minus 10 plus 5 is common, x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now x minus 10 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. Thus x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 10, or x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 5. So score in first test is equal to 10. Marks are never negative. We should write here, marks are never negative. Marks are never negative. Therefore score in first test is equal to 10. Score in second test is equal to 5 more, 10 more, so x plus 10. So 10 plus 10 means it becomes 20. That is the answer. Now we will enter in question number 7, because 6 is already taken. Question number 7. It is big one, not big at all, but solution is big one. Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream. Downstream means in the flow of the direction of water, that is downstream. And upward means against of the flow of water. Downstream and upstream is given here. Total distance is given 36 km. And time taken by Pratik is given 8 hours. Find the here speed of the boat in still water is also mentioned at 12 km. Find the speed of the water current. What is told to find, that you should consider as a x. So what will you consider x? Therefore here speed of water current, let speed of water current be x. Speed of boat is given, speed of boat is equal to 12 km given. Then we should find here speed of boat in downstream, what will come? In downstream means suppose if water is from back of me and I am going in forward direction and water is also pushing me, means my speed plus speed of water current means 12 plus x. 12 plus x. Now speed of boat in upstream. Upstream means boat should have to overcome the speed of water current. So what will happen? 12 minus x will come. And total time is given, time taken to cover given distance is equal to 8 hours mentioned. And what is distance given? Check it. Distance is equal to 36 kilometer given. So then speed is equal to distance upon time. So time is given to you, means distance upon speed is the formula. So as per this condition, means from this formula we can prepare here. What will happen? That distance means 36 upon 12 minus x, and 36 upon 12 plus x is equal to how much? 8 hours given. So we should solve this equation. If you understand, then we will start to solve this equation. Please, one more time I am going to tell you that there is water current. Speed of water current I don't know, but speed of boat is given here. Speed of boat is given how much? 12. Then speed of boat in downstream means already 12 plus x. And if upstream means here 12 minus x should become. Thus distance 36 km given. To go downstream and to come again back at its original place, total 8 hours are wanted. Thus equation becoming 36 upon 12 minus x plus 36 upon 12 plus x is equal to 8. Now I will erase this all and I will take it up, as I don't have here more space, so I have to take it up. I am writing this again here. 36 upon 12 plus 12 minus x plus 36 upon 12 plus x is equal to 8. Both sides dividing by 36, because we don't want this 36. So what will happen? It becomes 1 upon 12 minus x if divided here by 36. This term is also divided by 36, it becomes 12 plus x. And here 8 upon 36. We should have to take in reduced form. 4 2s and 4 9s means it becomes 2 upon 9. Do here cross multiplication. 12 plus x 1s 12 plus x. Here plus 12 minus x into 1 means 12 minus x upon here multiplication of these two means 144 minus x square. Okay. Then plus minus x is cancelled. 12 plus 12 24 upon 144 minus x square is equal to 2 upon 9. Now do cross multiplication. 2 in bracket 144 minus x square is equal to 24 into 9. Then this 2 goes there. 144 minus x square is equal to 24 into 9 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 12s are 24. Thus we get 144 minus x square is equal to 12 into 9, 108. Now this 144 also goes to the right hand side. What will happen? Minus x square is equal to 108 minus 144. So do subtraction. 144 minus 108. 8 and how many? 14. 8 and 6 14. Carry on 1 given. 1 and how many? 4 3. 1 1 0. Means you will get here minus x square is equal to minus 36. Therefore x square is equal to 36. X square is equal to 36, and thus then by taking square root x is equal to plus minus 6, x is equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 6, x is equal to minus 6 is not acceptable, and therefore speed of water current is 6 km per hour is the answer. By this way, this question is important for board exam. It can come, such questions can come for 4 marks. So stress more on such questions. Now we will enter into the next question, that is question number 8. Please read that question number 8. Please read question number 8 and we will see it, what is asked in question number 8. Pintu takes 6 days more than those of Nishu. There are two students, there are two boys, one is their Pintu, another one is their Nishu. So both are doing some work and the speed of the Pintu is more than the Nishu. I understand that Pintu takes 6 days more than those of the Nishu. Means Nishu's work done is not given. Let what should we do? Pintu takes, if they work together, they finish it in 4 days. How many days would it take to complete the work if they work alone? So here we should have taken that let. Once again I am going to read it. Please see. Pintu takes 6 days more. Pintu takes 6 days more means let number of days taken by Nishu be x. Number of days taken by Nishu be x. Therefore, number of days taken by Pintu is equal to x plus 6. 6 days more told. Then here work done by separately if they are doing, then work done by Nishu in a day. Work done by Nishu in a day means what will happen? 1 upon x. Work done by Pintu in a day is equal to 1 upon x plus 6. If they both do together, then what will happen? If they both do together, then they are in need of 4 days. If both do same work together, then they need 4 days. Therefore, as per condition, if they are doing together, then 1 upon x, as per condition 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 6, the becomes is equal to 1 upon 4 days. Because total number of days required, if they do alone, then Nishu wants x days and another boy wants x plus 6 days. But then work done by Nishu in a day is equal to 1 upon x. And work done by Pintu is 1 upon x in a day. If they do together, then they are in need of 4 days. So then here if they do together in a 1 day, then they are in need of total number of days is 1 upon 4. So by this way, if it is taken now to cross multiplication, x plus 6 into 1 ones and x ones are x, and down here x in bracket x plus 6 is equal to 1 upon 4. So x plus x 2x plus 6, and here x square plus 6x is equal to 1 upon 4. So what happens that, please check. Now do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication is already done here. Again, x square is cross multiplication. X square plus 6x is equal to 4 in bracket 2x plus 6. 2x plus 6. Now x square plus 6x is equal to 4 2s are 8x, 4 6s are 24. Now x square plus 6x, it comes here minus 8x and it comes here minus 24 is equal to 0. Thus x square minus 8 plus 6 means minus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. The minus 24, we should split minus 24 such that minus 6 into 6, 4s are 24, minus 24, and minus 6 plus 4, you will get minus 2. Thus, x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 24 is equal to 0. What is happening? Then we should take common x in bracket x minus 6. From this 4 take out. By 4 divided to 4x means only x. 24 divided by 4 is minus 6 is equal to 0. Thus x minus 6 and second bracket x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we should proceed here. X minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 6 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 4. Therefore, what is asked? Then Nishu takes 6 days. Nishu will take 6 days and 1 minute I will take chalk. Nishu takes 6 days. And who is that? Pintu wants 6 more days, means x plus 6. Thus 6 plus 6 means 12 days. Here you should write x minus 4 is not acceptable. Shortcut, not acceptable. And therefore the Nishu takes 6 days and this Pintu takes 12 days. Now dear students, there is question number 9. We will solve question number 9. Question number 9. Read yourself in textbook. If 460 is divided by natural number, quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and remainder is 1. Find the quotient and divisor. Find the quotient and divisor. Okay? We will find let divisor be x. Let divisor be x. Okay? 460 is divided by a natural number. Yes, we will consider that. Let natural number. Let divisor means natural number be x. So 460 is divided by divisor. What will happen means 460 is divided by x, then answer is given. Quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. This is divisor, it's 5 times and 6 more, and then remainder is 1. 6 more than the 5 times of the divisor. Divisor is x, 460 is dividend. So you know that dividend is equal to quotient into divisor. I will write here quotient into divisor is equal to dividend plus a remainder. So what will happen? Quotient is 5x plus 6 into x is equal to 460 plus 1. Okay, so please see 460 is equal to x in bracket. Now 460 is equal to, here as per condition equation, x into 5x means 5x square, x into 6x is equal to 467. Now 5x square. Yes, please once again we have to check it whether it is correct or not, because dividend is equal to, you are knowing that dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. This remainder should come to this side, students. It was become wrong. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Here also we should have to write plus remainder is equal to dividend. Okay. Then here plus 1 should come to this side, 460. Then 5x square plus 6x plus 1, it will come here 460. It becomes minus. Now 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equal to 0. What will you do that? 459 into 5. You should have to calculate, and then you will find, you will get to what to do, that you can understand. So minus 459 will come. Minus 459. Then what? First actually you have to do calculation, and then we should have to find it by different way. We will multiply here. What is coming? See, 5 9s are 45, 5 5s are 25 and 4, 29, carry on to 5 4s are 20, 22, minus 2 to 9 5. We should split this 2295 such a way that their product should be equal to, product of the two numbers is equal to minus 2295, and their sum should come 6. So can we take directly here that 51 and 45? 51 and 45 means what will happen? You want here greater sign, and this, if it is taken here, that 51 minus 45 means you will get positive 6, and 51 into 45 you will get negative 45. But we have to calculate it first. How? We can't take directly. Therefore, I am going to continue here. Splitting 22 2295. We will split here. Just it starts from 5. Or even we can start it by 3 also, because here it is 5 given. Whether it is divisible by 3 or not, that we will see. 3 7s are 21, 1 remaining. 3 6s are 18, 1 remaining. 3 5s are 15. Yes, correct. It goes. Now once goes means it will go again. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Now again it goes. 3 8s are 24, 1 remaining. 3 5s are 15. 3 8s are 24, 1 remaining 15. 3 5s are 15. Now it will not go by 3, it will go by 5. 5 1s are 5, 3 remainder, 5 7s are, and 17 1s are. Okay, is it clear? Now we will see 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, and 3 into 17 means 51. Its product will come 2295 is 2295. You want here middle term positive, so we will give negative sign to opposite number to smaller number, and thus then here directly taking now 5x square plus 51x minus 45x minus 459 is equal to 0. Split these two, make two groups. Now from this, what will you take out? Instead of here, I will change little. It becomes easy to divide. So minus 45x plus 51x minus 459. Then I will take here from this 5x common. What is remaining? Then x minus 9 will come in first bracket. From here second group we will take 51 common, and what is coming first number, first bracket, it should come in the second one. Therefore 5x plus 51 is in one bracket, and in second bracket x minus 9 is equal to 0. Thus 5x plus 51 is equal to 0. Therefore 5x is equal to negative 51 and x is equal to minus 51 upon 5 is not acceptable. Is not acceptable directly writing here. Then what is remainder? I will erase this side. And we will see that what is x is equal to x minus 9 is equal to 0 was remainder. Therefore x is equal to 9. So what is told to find out? That please check. Here it is asked, find the quotient and divisor. So what was the quotient? Quotient is equal to, quotient I wrote there. What was quotient? 5x plus 6. 5x plus 6 means 5 into 9 plus 6. 5 9s are 45 plus 6. So 51. And again what is asked to you? Please check it. Find the divisor. So divisor, by which number have we divided? Divisor is equal to 9. That is the answer. So dear students, such questions are little bit difficult. Actually not difficult, it needs practice. By practice you can solve it. It becomes very simple and easy, but every day there is need of practice. Now we are going to see question number 10. Question number 10 is activity based question. As usual way I am going to solve. Again whenever you will do practice, you will understand it, how to, what to write there. Last question today's. You might have tired. I am knowing this that, but as per my knowledge, maths is never boring subject. So dear students, we are going to see question number 10. Here quadrilateral A, B, C, D is trapezium given. Okay. So then we will solve this. This is activity based question. We will see how to solve it. Trapezium given. Then what is AB parallel side CD? This A, B, C, D is trapezium. AB parallel DC. Now here there is formula given. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 1 upon 2 in bracket AB plus CD is mentioned. Just you have to keep your values. So what is the formula of area of trapezium? 1 upon 2 sum of parallel sides into height. Means you should have to write here AM. Then I wrote there AM. Now put your value. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is given 33. Half into AB means what? X plus CD means what? 2x plus 1. No need to put again separate bracket. Into AM means what? X minus 4. So 2 will come here. 33 into 2. It becomes 66. Now we have do addition. 3x plus 1. And here x minus 4. Then we will solve this all. How to solve? Check here. Multiplying by this x to first bracket, x in bracket 3x plus 1. Multiplying by second number to this first bracket 3x plus 1. Or you may do separately, directly also. How directly? That I will tell you. No need. Here it is not asked like that. So 3x plus 1 into x minus 4. 3x into x means 3x square. I am writing here 3x square. X into 1 means it becomes x. Minus 4 into 3 minus 12x. 4 1 the minus 4. Then here 3x square as it is 12 plus 1 minus 11x minus 4. Then here minus 11x. Here it is minus 4. Now take this all to one side. 3x square 3x square minus 11x minus 4, it goes there, becoming minus 66. Thus 3x square minus 11x minus 70 is equal to 0. Again there is small space, so I have to take it up. So I will erase this from beginning and we will continue. What is the equation? 3x square minus 11x minus 70 is equal to 0. Here coefficient of this square term is more than 1. So 3 into minus 70 is equal to minus 210. Minus 210. Now minus 210 should be splitted such a way that you want here 11. So 21 into 10, 21 tens are, then you want here minus sign middle, so minus 21, it becomes minus 210, and minus 21 plus 10, you will get minus 11. It becomes very simple. If you don't know, then you may split here, 210 should be splitted, it goes by 2, 2 ones are, 2 zeros are, 2 fives are, then 3 35s are, then 5 7, then 7 ones are. Thus then 7 3s are 21 and 2 5s are 10. So 10 and 21, these are the factors coming. Now I will take here 3x square minus 21x plus 10x minus 70 is equal to 0. Now what is common? We should take 3 common, then x minus 3 sevens are, and here 10 is common taken. X minus 7 is equal to 0. Thus x minus 7 and okay, we should take 3x common, then 3x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now I will erase this all, not necessary to us now this. So I will erase this side also. Now x minus 7 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 7, or 3x plus 10 is equal to 0, means 3x is equal to minus 10, x is equal to minus 10 upon 3 is not acceptable right here only, not acceptable, and thus x is equal to 7 is what is asked to find out. AB wanted, so we will find AB is equal to x is equal to 7. Thus AB is equal to 7. You want to find CD. CD find. CD is equal to what is given? I think it is given 2x plus 1. It was given here 2x plus 1. So put the value 2x plus 1 means 2 into 7 plus 1. Thus 14 plus 1, it becomes 15. Then CD is equal to 15 and again what is asked here, BC is equal to CD also wanted, sorry AD wanted, AD is equal to BC is equal to x minus 2. So what was x? X means 7, x means 7, so 7 minus 2 you will get 5. Here nothing mentioned but you don't forget to write 7 units. Here also 7 units. If not given, then we should write this. And thus, here this exercise, which was little bit big, having 10 questions, so there was no way before us. AD is equal to 5, BC is equal to 5. By this way, this exercise 2.5 is completed. Such a verbal questions definitely asked in exam. And as per my knowledge, if you do everyday practice, definitely it becomes very simple. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Please share your likes. Please write your comments to improve the quality of education, to improve the quality of video. Thanks for watching this video.